Goals in life. My future goals is to make my parents happy and be a blessing to the people around me. After I graduate, I will not rush to get married. I want to enjoy my life first without any burden. And I won't have relation everywhere. I won't visit all the tourist destination in Indonesia and travel abroad to build my career. When I feel satisfied there, I will return to Nias to routine with my family and develop the island of Nias that I love. I also want to start a business in Nias that I have dreamed of since I was a child, and which is to build a hospital with my cousins to help the local community.